Good morning students. So in this class we are going to discuss about three-phase AC generator. So more than one armature coil present in a stator. So it produces more than one induced EMF, that is polyphase. So it have a three set of coils. So it produces three different induced EMF, that is three-phase AC generator. So consider the stator have a 6 slots. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So each slot is separated by 60 degree away. So slot 1 and 2 are 60 degree away. So the slot, there are 6 different coils are connected. So the coil 1 and 4 are connected. So that is the conductor 1 and 4 connects. So conductor 1 and 4 connects. It forms coil 1. Then conductor 3 and 6. So conductor 3 and 6 connected together to form coil 2. Then 2 and 5 connected to form coil 3. So all the coil 1, 2 and 3 are, so coil 1 and 2 all are 120 degree phase difference. See, so coil, this is coil 2, coil 2 and 3 it's 120 degree difference. Then coil 3 and 1. So from this to this. So coil, each coil 1 and 2 and 2 and 3 are, all the 3 are 120 degree difference. So inside the stator there is a field magnet. So the field magnet is on. So the magnetic field is horizontal to that coil. So coil 1. So initially the magnetic field is at horizontal position. So that is perpendicular to the coil 1. So the magnetic field rotates in clockwise direction. So it is matches with the coil 1. So it produces a induced EMF due to the electromagnetic induction. So the induced EMF increases from 0 to maximum. So it begins at the point O. So it reaches the maximum. It completes one cycle. After that, similarly, so the coil rotates. That is, the magnetic field rotates from the initial position. The coil 1, there is a induced EMF produces. In the similar manner, so the magnetic field rotates 120 degree. So the coil 2 begins to produce induced EMF. That is 120 degree difference. Again, it starts. So the cycle starts at the point A. So in similar manner, the third coil is also produces induced EMF. So the magnetic field rotates 240 degree. Then the induced EMF produces at the point B. So that is 240 degree difference. So this is a three-phase generator. It produces 3 different induced EMF. So the coil 1 produces the EMF from the 0 to from the initial itself. Then coil 2 produces at 120 degree difference. Then coil 3 produces at 240 degree difference. So coil 1 and 2 and 3 produces 3 different induced EMF. They are getting three-phase AC generator. So what are the advantages of three-phase generator, that is AC generator? So first one, it's high input, that is higher output. So compared to single phase AC generator, three-phase AC generator produces higher output. Then compared to single phase AC generator, three-phase AC generator is more compact and smaller in size. So compared to the capacity, so it is smaller in size. Third one, so in transmission system, three-phase. So in transmission system, three-phase is more cheaper compared to single phase. So three-phase in transmission system, three-phase AC generator, that is more cheaper. So there is a need of very thin wires for the transmission. So these 3 are the advantages of three-phase AC generator. So in this class we have discussed how three-phase AC generator works. So first, the magnetic field is at horizontal position. It rotates in clockwise direction. So coil 1 produces a induced EMF. So it rotates from initial to 120 degrees. Coil 2 produces the induced EMF. Again, from the initial to 240 degree. So the coil 3 produces the induced EMF. But the coil 1 produces from O then coil 2 produces at the point A, then that is 120 degree difference, then coil 3 produces at a point B, produces 240 degree difference. So see, so coil 1 produces the induced EMF from the point 0, that is from the origin. Then see, in the reverse cycle it have a negative maximum, that is minus, this one is positive. So the induced EMF, so if you reverse the cycle you will get negative, then if you reverse the third cycle you will get positive. So these are the differences. Then we see what are the advantages of 3-phase AC generator. So it have a higher output, then compared to single phase AC generators it is smaller in size. Then in transmission system, so 3-phase is more cheaper, then the wires needed are more thinner wires. Okay students.